What's up, everybody? Bill with Honest Open Permaculture, Hop Farm. We're about to go ride around and collect some produce. Let's see how much we can get in this bucket. Now, I did harvest Saturday. It is Tuesday. So we'll see how much we get from 3 days. Let's go. All right, so here's our first spot. Not expecting to get a whole lot out of here. It's got tomatoes on the back that are getting ripe at the moment. But we do have a couple squash in here that need to be picked. The squash plant aren't doing very well, so let's go ahead and take these squash so we don't hurt the plant already more than it's hurt. And we'll just twist this one off here. 2 baby squash. Right in here, we've got some peppers that are ready to be picked. These are big banana peppers. Alright, some very good sized banana peppers here. See what else we can find in this area. Oh, there's more peppers in there. We do have a little lettuce that's ready. I don't want to pick it yet. It's too hot right now. I like to pick my lettuce either early morning or late at night when it gets more moisture back into it. Oh, we might have cayennes down in there. Cayenne peppers that are ready. Just one? Only one? If it's only one, we're gonna leave it. See if there's any cayennes ready over here. Oh, there's a cayenne pepper down there that's ready. So maybe 2 cayennes. Let's go ahead and pick them. We got 2 of them. I'll take 2. There's 1. 2 cayennes. Here we got lettuce that's bolted. This red lettuce is doing okay. It seems to do better in the summer. Need to watch out about touching my eyes now after picking those cayennes. Looks like that's all we're gonna get out of this little area. Waiting on the tomatoes to get ready. The peppers will keep going though. We'll keep getting peppers out of here. So let's take this over to our bucket. Or let's bring our bucket to it since I only have one hand. It's 2 baby squash. Zucchini squash in the bucket. Peppers in the bucket. Let's jump on the mower, go to the next spot. Made it to the next spot. I am not expecting a whole lot out of here. Started out real well and has been going downhill ever since. The eggplant is looking very sad still. Not sure if that will produce at all for me. The potato beetle ravaged me back here on the eggplant. Squashes are almost done back here. Oh, we got one down in there. So we can take that squash in the bucket. Oh, we've got peppers up here that are ready. Green peppers. Two green peppers. Yellow peppers are coming in, but they're not ready. You can see right in here. Yellow peppers, not quite big enough yet. Some more green peppers, not quite big enough yet. See if we can find any little squash around hiding. Some forming in there. In there. I don't see any more to pick. Oh, maybe take that back. This back row had one right down here. We'll twist that bad boy off. There you go. That's it for this area. 2 peppers and 2 squash. The bucket. Peppers, squash. On the next area, backfield, big area. See what we can get from back there. Made it to the backfield. So as you can tell, we have got a ton of kale that is ready. I am not picking all that kale right now. I just wanted to give you guys a shot of the kale. And some lettuces that have bolted that are going to be fed to the pigs. And so we've also got Swiss chard that's ready. We've got some cabbage in here that I could pick. I've got plenty of cabbage right now. I don't need to pick this at the moment. There's more cabbage up here. You see the gaps in the cabbage. That's where I've been picking the bigger ones and letting the smaller ones grow out a little bit more. You know what? We'll take this cabbage for you guys right here. We'll take this cabbage. I'll show you guys the root system and all. Look at these worms that were in there. Small snakes is what they are. Make sure I shake all the worms out and leave them in here. And we'll go ahead and drop this right in spot. Let it decompose right here in its area and put some of the nutrients that it stole from the ground back into the ground, because we're doing it right here. Now I could have, if I didn't want to show you guys this awesome root system that it produced, I could have just chopped it, let the root system in there and let the root system decompose right there in the ground, and that'd give more nutrients back to the ground. But we're just going to break it off and put it down here and let it decompose again. That's a good sized cabbage, y'all. See it compared to my head. I got a big head. It's good size. We'll just set this on the outside of the row here, and we'll pick it up on the way out. So here's our squash up here, and we've got a bunch in there that's ready. Like I said, it's been a few days since I picked, so I'm sure there's zucchini in here that's overgrown. And if it's too overgrown, I'll feed it to the chickens or the pigs. If it's just a little bit overgrown, for those of y'all that don't know what to do with overgrown zucchini, I'll give you 2 tips real quick. Zucchini bread and zucchini boats. Those 2 tips right there can eat up all your overgrown zucchini. I'm just scanning. I see there's a bunch of fruit in here. I'm gonna set y'all up and you can just watch me in fast motion picking this area. I'll start up here where you can't see me. That's a pretty good harvest right there, y'all. Check this bucket out now. The yellow squash and zucchini squash. There's one a pumpkin over here I'm gonna pull. Doesn't look good. Feed it to the piggly wigglies. This pumpkin wasn't looking good. It's all shrivelly and stuff, so we're gonna take it. It's soft. Feed it to the pigs. Hey ladies, how you doing? I collected their eggs this morning, so I'm not gonna harvest from them. Oh yeah. We're gonna have a good amount of red ones in here. Red tomatoes. Some maters. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna pick every one, just the ones that are getting really close. Because I don't want a critter to come through and take these red tomatoes. Something has knocked this green one off. Mater. We're just gonna pick them and set them on the ground, keep going down, just like this, y'all. That's why I pick them early, because something will come and get them. Look at that. Tomatoes. Down here are some of the ones that have been eaten on. Perfect chicken food. We're right here at the carrot patch. The weedy carrot patch. Let's see if we can find a few good ones in here for you. Some baby carrots. We'll take a few more. Alright. Got a little bit of carrot in there. Let's pick some cucumbers. hide and go seek, definitely have to be cucumbers. Running out of room. Woo! It's getting warm out here, y'all. We're gonna go down one more spot. See if we have some tomatoes ready. There we go. Some little sun gold tomatoes, some of my favorites. We'll pick all the orange ones we can find. Sun gold tomatoes have been picked. I'm gonna pick one more thing back here. Let me show you the sun golds real quick. Boom. We're gonna pick some big old Swiss chard. Look at this. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Let's go underneath those big pin oak trees now that are right there. There's a table under there. Let's see what we got. Let's reveal what's in the buckets. Under a really cool spot I like. Under these pin oak trees. Always a little breeze coming through. Nice cool spot. Why don't y'all pull up a chair? There you go. Pull up a chair while I reveal our harvest. There you go. Pull up a chair while I reveal our harvest. We got the Swiss chard. Beautiful Swiss chard. And then tomatoes. Squash, zucchini, and yellow squash. Peppers. We got a small pumpkin, a few carrots, a ton of cucumbers, and a cabbage. There it is, guys. Cucumbers, 2 different types, actually 3 different types. Tomatoes, there's a few different types of tomatoes. Small pumpkin, Swiss chard, zucchini, yellow squash, peppers, cabbage, carrots. Remember, we left a lot back there. We left a lot of cabbage back there, a lot of carrots back there. There's a lot of green tomatoes, peppers all over, a lot of pumpkins, a lot of Swiss chard leafy greens that I don't like picking this time of day because of that right there. See, when you pick it this time of day, it just starts to wilt very, very fast. Hope y'all enjoyed my harvest video. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with a friend. Later, y'all.